Hello and welcome to Stove Tuesday. The weather's terrible outside, so I thought I'd have a little chat about Firebox and their customer service. Here in the UK, we struggle to get Firebox products. And the online retailers, they're either out of stock or they don't do particular items because they've never sold them. So I thought I would go directly to Firebox. And so I bought myself 2 of these lovely cowboy plates in large, and I also bought some additional bits to do some billy can baking, which I've not really done before, and I couldn't get the right items to fit inside the actual billy can. So I got a couple of racks. Oh, they're beautifully made, by the way, absolutely top notch, ever so light for what they are, strong, can't fault it. I also bought a little rack to go on top of the billy can for hot coals. That's well made as well. I thought about making one of these and then decided against it because it's just not worth it for what they are. I also wanted a large bread pan so I could try a bit of baking, you know, and see how we got on with that. In addition to that, I wanted a large cake pan, which is half the depth and it's very wide, fills up the billy can, and that's where we had a bit of an issue. They kind of messed my order up a little bit. It's not their fault really what they've done. The person picking the items, instead of sending me a bread pan large and a cake pan large, they've sent me a large bread pan and a small bread pan. So I was like, well, it's not really the end of the world. So I sent him a nice email and said, you really need to, you know, have a look at when you're packing things, just do a double check just to make sure you're getting the items right. And I didn't really expect anything more of it. To be honest, I was embarrassed to go back to him because the item I wanted was only like a few dollars, pounds or whatever. So I got a nice email back from a nice lady, Rochelle, at Firebox, and we had a little bit of a communication there. And this morning the nice postman delivered this. It's a large cake pan to go inside my billy can, and I thought, oh, that's amazing, thank you very much. And she also said, our error, don't worry about it, just keep the small cake tin. So the point of this little video was that some companies, they bang on about customer service and like how brilliant they are and all the rest of it, especially banks, insurance companies. I don't know what your experience has been. Utility companies is another one. You ring them up or you try to communicate with them and you're on the phone for hours, like, you know, and it's like, oh, and it just does, you know. In Firebox, they've just got back to me and they've just said, do you know what? We made a mistake, we're going to sort it out. So I just wanted to let you people know out there that these people at Firebox, I have total confidence in their customer service and they will put things right if it's wrong. You know, I didn't even have to ask them. I mean, that is a sign of a good company. And I've got to say that if ever you come across companies that are good, you need to rave about them. You need to tell everyone, because there's so many companies out there, they promise the earth and all the rest of it, but when things go wrong, they're not there to help you out. So I just wanted to say a big thumbs up. Thank you very much, Firebox, and I look forward to using all your little accessories that I bought from you direct. So that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, new stove videos every Tuesday. Have a great week, everybody. I'll see you next Tuesday. Infozhed out.
Whoa.